I made ChatGPT my English speaking partner and coach. It rated my confidence, fluency, grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. I practiced English for 3 hours. Day 8. I started my practice by writing 10 daily use English phrases. Then I made one sentence with each phrase. This simple routine improved my English and start my practice with a positive mindset. Next, mirror speaking. Mirror speaking has become one of my favorite activities because I can observe my facial expressions, body language, and confidence while speaking. Earlier I used to feel awkward talking to myself, but now it feels completely normal. Oh no! Again, there are a few small interruptions during my practice always. But that's part of studying at home. So I take a short break and then continue my practice. I know many of you can relate, and I believe the important thing is to keep going. After that, shadowing practice with Priyanka Chopra's interview. Today I practiced only 2 minutes of interview because I like to focus on one small part at a time. Instead of trying to write everything, I focused on only a few useful sentences. My goal is not to collect hundreds of sentences, but to understand them and use them naturally. Then I practiced fast reading using a YouTube short video. I read the same script several times until I could match the speaker's speed. During this exercise, I wasn't thinking too much about grammar. I was simply training my mouth to speak English more smoothly. Now, conversation with ChatGPT. I talked about my first week, my morning routine, and how much my confidence has changed. After our conversation, I asked for detailed feedback. The feedback made me really happy because I received 9 out of 10 for my confidence. For me, this is one of my biggest achievements. Before starting this challenge, I was afraid to speak English, but now I can express my thoughts for a much longer time without giving up. Of course, I still make grammar mistakes, and that's completely okay. The biggest improvement I noticed today is my confidence. I can proudly say that this is my biggest achievement so far. If you are also learning English, don't wait for the perfect time. Start your journey today. It's never too late to improve. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. I wish you all the best on your English speaking journey. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.